This is how I made my first $2,000 as an RV traveler creating content for other businesses. So you're thinking about trying to become a traveler and making an income from it. Well, I'm going to share with you some of the things that I did in order to make my first $2,000 as an RV traveler. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Jolie, and I'm going to share some of the tips and tricks that I've done throughout the past 2 years in order to make my first $2,000 as an RV traveler. I had zero background on the RV industry, outdoor brands. I knew I enjoyed hiking and I knew some of the most popular companies out there, but of course as a small creator, Columbia or Patagonia, the odds that they're going to want to collaborate and work with me are pretty slim. But the reality is that there's also just as many small brands as there are small creators who need help promoting the products that they're offering. So now the only thing that I was aware of was affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, in order to see large numbers, you do have to have a lot of traffic. And unfortunately, even still today, I do not have enough traffic to where I can get consistent affiliate deals and make enough money to where I'm sustainable. But that's where other deals come into play with different brands. So the first thing that I did in order to make money as an RV traveler, some people may not want to hear this, but this is kind of the reality in certain industries that you're working in. And in order to get your name out there and to promote what your goal and your mission is, you have to be willing to help other brands and other people first. And so that's what I first did. I made about $300 writing only 2 or 3 articles for a couple of different RV magazines and travel magazines. And so that helped me get my foot in the door and a little bit of credibility that I'm out there, I'm trying, I'm working towards a mission and a goal. And more importantly is that there's an audience and people are listening and following and reading you. So you're starting to gain a little bit of traction and you're starting to create a little bit of familiarity within that industry that you're in. So the real way how I reached $2,000 without having a big following is by creating content for other businesses. The first company that I created content for was a small Elikai Outdoors. I'll add the link in the description below. They make really cool outdoor games. I have a giant Connect 4 and it is so much fun to play when you're at the campsite. So I will add the product in the description below if you are interested in checking out some of their items. Next, I got an affiliate deal with a beef jerky company, Prime Plus Wagyu, and this was a great RV travel snack. I got a couple people to buy it, but again, I only made like 10-12 bucks, and that's not really gonna get you too far. So even though I was making money through affiliate deals, I was also getting a lot of brands that were offering me free products. And here's the thing with brands offering you free products. Every brand has a budget and they're trying to promote the product or the service that they want to get out into the world. And they're willing to spend a certain amount of money to help promote this. And so a lot of companies, they'll just send out freebies to creators like myself. And at first, the freebie seemed like more than enough to me. I was so excited that a company was reaching out and offering me something for free. And honestly, today, I probably have gotten close to $1,000 worth of free items through brands, but the reality is that if I would have sat there and I would have negotiated with some of these brands and these companies, I probably could have gotten way more money out of the deal. So if you're having a brand that is reaching out to you, offering you free product, offering a free service, whatever the case may be, reach back out and see if you can negotiate. See if they'll give you the product, and in exchange, you'll make 3-4 videos for X amount of money. This is one of the best strategies you could do in order to start generating money for yourself without having a huge following. It's user-generated content. I'm sure you've seen this absolutely everywhere. Social media, other platforms are absolutely filled with it. But sometimes it can be a little intimidating getting your foot in the door. And so that's how I actually made my first $2,000 was with Harvest Hosts. I created a promotional video for them. They were doing some rebranding at the beginning of 2025. I created a few videos for them. They loved the content that I created, so they sent me a little extra money. Once I found out that this was an option for me and that I could create content for other brands and that they would pay me a significant amount of money, I realized all I needed to do was get 3-4 brands a month, and that's an easy way to start making money off of your travel platform. Now, the most important thing that people don't really talk about when reaching out to brands and trying to get these sponsorships and these partnerships is the email that you are actually sending. If you're interested in getting this email template to send out to other brands, make sure to hit the register link below to sign up for my newsletter so I can send you that template. Now, of course, please keep in mind, reaching out to brands, reaching out to companies, trying to get these opportunities, it does take a lot of time and consistency. And the reality is that you will get more rejection emails than you will acceptance emails. But you only need at least 2 or 3 to start making a pretty significant amount of money for yourself and to even replace your full-time job or to start making passive income. But it's really important that you trust the process, stay patient, and you stay consistent. And eventually someone is going to see your worth. I hope this video was of use to you, and again, if you're interested in the email template, please make sure to sign up for my newsletter below so I can send that to you right away. If you like this video, if you find the information helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with whoever you think might also find this video helpful. And with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.